Alright, welcome back. This is going to be a tutorial on audio effects 103. Here we go. Going to focus on spectrum to begin with here. It's fairly obvious what this is. I mean, it just allows you to kind of see the whole frequency spectrum. So if you look up here, you've got 100 hertz all the way down to 0, and you've got 10K. And so you can just see what's actually occurring. There's a lot of different ways you can kind of choose to look at it. So it'll switch the weights. So you got 1K over here, 10K over here. Not entirely sure why you would want to do that. So then this way you can actually see register notes, right? So really it's easiest to work with this here, and I like it like that personally, right? A bit more obvious to see what's going on. And what you can actually do if you're on a kick drum, for instance, let's drag this over to here, boop. You can actually look, here's our kick right there, right? And it's hitting at, if we look over at the, you gotta look right here, but while my mouse is up here, right? So down there, 59 hertz A sharp at negative 28.2 dB, right? All this information you can just pull right out of, so this is gonna isolate for you. Super helpful. Go to your master bus. This is one of the most common areas that I find myself using it. You can get the whole readout of everything that's occurring in the track right now. So, just to give you an example, if we pull the drums out, the screen will remember. It'll remember what's going on. Oh, I forgot. I've got a drum loop in there layered. Do I have going on in here? Yeah, there we go. So yeah, now you can see what's occurring. Okay, so the way normally, oh, that's what I keep doing. That's why. So best way to use this on the master bus. What you want to get used to, I kind of like it more down in this setting, but over the course of your musical career, you're going to eventually find that what you're trying to do in a mix is recreate kind of what's going on in this mix. This isn't, if we pull this out, it's probably pretty good actually. Yeah, look at that. So, see how there's just almost a, this mix could use some compression. I've got some delays and stuff going on this synth, but if we turn that off, yeah, trying to create a taper from roughly 30, 40, depending on, anything below about 25, 28 is not even actually audible, it's felt, but you really see this curve off here, so what you're trying to have occur there, and then gently curving down to where somewhere around 10K or so, it's just completely falling off. And that's how you make good mixes. Yeah, that is the spectrum. Now, let's go look at our limiter here. So limiter is an extreme compressor. It's a compressor that has a ratio of infinity to 1. So it's going to just smash everything down to whatever level you're bringing it to. So I'll kind of give you so essentially, for me to show you this properly, it's going to change the volume of my actual YouTube video here. So I don't want to get too crazy, but what you would do is you would raise this gain until you start to see gain reduction here. You can also do this, which is kind of the inverse opposite, where I'm bringing the ceiling down until I see an actual gain reduction occurring. And this is how you're going to get your songs loud. So you stick this on your master bus. This would normally be your last thing, and you would also want to go through when you're mixing down all of your tracks as you come into your drums here and you've got a bunch of compression and different things going on, you'd come in here and you just get like a little bit of tap going on. What this does, it starts to cut down on the amount of headroom that you're using and kind of fatten and thicken up that mix. So it's ultimately going to lead to just a bigger, punchier, full sound. And yeah. That's how to use a limiter. So, next on our list was multi-band compression. I think that'd be a good one to go about. So I'm gonna pop over here. Multi-band compression is fairly. Okay, it's not simple at all. It's the same thing as a compressor. It's just you've got 3 of them. And to be honest, I'm going to show you how to do it this way instead, because it will actually sound better. Trust me. So what we do. So we've engaged this EQ here. We're going to build our own multi-band compressor right now, and it will be much more dialed in. Boom. So we got just a little kick on the low end. We are going to here solo that and solo that. Okay. So now we got a little kick back here. So what we can do. This is going to be our lows. Duplicate. This is going to be our mids. Duplicate. Duplicate is Command D, if you weren't aware, and I turned this into a group by doing group or Command G. That was the first thing we did, Command G, and then start Command D each of these to duplicate them out. So what we do is we got our mids here. We're going to flip over the band, and I'm just going to throw this together real quick, so I mean it's not going to be dialed to exact. Oh, I did this backwards though. We want that and that. There we go. So, boom. Now we've got a multi-band compressor. These are all being compressed individually. The one thing I did not do is anytime you start to duplicate channels, you're going to raise the volume, obviously. There's a little trick I figured out. It starts with -6. If you have 2 tracks, for instance, if you have 2 tracks duplicated, it'll retain the same volume with -6. You add in a 3rd track, you then have to drop everything by 3 dB every time you add a track. Alright, no volume change. And now what we can do so right now we are focusing solely on the highs, right? Let's bring back our drum. So that brings out the drums. Alright, so let's focus on our mids now. And these are kind of all over the place. Where are these highs at? Yeah, that's good. Let's dial this down a little. See how I'm able to just turn up the mids alone? And now you could even go so far as say, hey, I just want a delay on my highs. Let's give it a little volume boost. Let's fucking kill a trick. I need to do that on my own tracks more. Listen to that shit. Ha! Damn. Yeah, and that is multi-band compression. Hope you like what I'm doing here. If you do, please hit that little button and subscribe, and maybe hit the little bell, because I'll be dropping videos regularly and you want to get the notification. Peace.